Hello, welcome to your latest weekend forecast from the Met Office. It's another weekend where I urge you to stay up to date with the latest forecast and the very latest Met Office weather warnings. There's going to be an awful lot going on. In summary, Saturday is a very blustery day with lots of showers across northern Britain. There is a warning in force for the winds. On Sunday, it looks a little calmer across the north, but there will be spells of rain moving across the south. And then on Sunday night and into Monday, we could see another spell of intense weather with bounds of wet and windy weather sweeping in through Sunday and into Monday. As I said, please keep up to date with the very latest Met Office weather warnings. There are a number in force. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. There's an area of low pressure developing again off the eastern side of the United States. That is what we're keeping an eye on for Sunday night and Monday. Ahead of that, look at the number of isobars on the chart through Friday and into Saturday. And there's just a bit of a squeeze there in those isobars, just huddling up together across Scotland and Northern Ireland for Saturday. That's where some of the strongest winds are likely to be. Before that, we've got some heavy rain. It's cause for concern over parts of northern England. Again, rain falling onto very soggy ground, the potential for further flooding. So there's a yellow warning in force first thing on Saturday. Then we have those winds picking up through the day. So across northern Britain, gusts of 50, 60, 65, in some locations maybe 75 miles an hour. Those kind of winds could cause some disruption to ferry services, certainly maybe some delays at airports and possibly even some structural damage. So it's going to be a windy day wherever you are. It starts a bit damp across the south, but this weather front should be clearing away. And then, of course, much of the south is looking largely dry and bright and breezy on Saturday. Further north, gusty winds and lots of showers packing in. The air is cold enough that those showers will be a mixture of rain, sleet and snow. Snow to relatively low levels across parts of Scotland and, again, accompanied by those strong winds. That is another cause for concern that could cause some further disruption. It's going to feel cold with those winds as well across the north. Further south, actually, quite mild with temperatures perhaps for a time into the teens. Still a lot of isobars on the chart for Saturday night, but then we're looking at this little weather system. Actually, the isobars opening up a little bit, so the wind's not as strong on Sunday, certainly across England and Wales, but these weather fronts will be bringing some cloud and outbreaks of rain. Again, extra rain falling onto saturated ground isn't good news, but at this stage, this rain doesn't look especially heavy. Further north, it'll still be blustery with showers, but here too, the winds should be easing down a bit on Sunday, so generally a bit calmer, although still very windy across the far northeast. And it will again be a cold day here with temperatures in the low to mid single figures. Further south, well, again, it will be quite mild, but again, it's not going to feel all that mild with cloud and outbreaks of rain. And then all eyes out in the west. That area of low pressure I showed you earlier, developing further, it looks like, on Sunday and moving up towards the northwest of the UK. Some uncertainty about the exact timing and intensity of this low, but there's a lot of isobars on the chart. And as this weather front moves across Scotland, well, it could bring some snow here on Sunday night and into Monday. As I said, there's some uncertainty, but there's the potential for further disruptive weather through Sunday night and into Monday, either from strong winds, heavy rain or snow in Scotland, or a combination of all three. There are a number of warnings in force. Please keep up to date with those. Best way to do that, download the Met Office app, visit the Met Office website, follow the Met Office on social media.